Good morning, children. Okay. Until now, we have studied about different communities, right? Which were those communities? Rural community, urban community, and tribal community. Okay. So now, what is it? Now we are going to study about the community games. Games, since you know, no? What are games? It gives you relaxation, it gives you pleasure, it gives you entertainment. Okay, so I know how much fond you are of the PE periods here. But I know now you are missing all those days because you are right now at home. Okay, to protect yourself from COVID-19. Okay, so now what can we do? What are games? Why are they necessary? Which are the different types of games? And which are these community games? Okay, the games played with each other, among each other, they are called as community games. Why they are called like that? Because you play always with the community, with your group, with your friends, with your peers. Okay, isn't it? So now this chapter is all about community games. Community games. The community has given rise to games. To relax and spend free time, people have made games or means. Games build the relationships. Okay, why should we play games? It builds the relationship between two people. Okay, now some games are there where you cannot play alone. You need a group of people. You need at least two people to play that. And it builds the relationship between both of you, right? So games build the relationships among individuals in the community. It provides an opportunity for elders and youngsters of the community to play together. Okay, which game come to your mind when you speak that younger youngsters and old people can play? That is of indoor games. Yes or no? Carrom, chess. You can play with your other members of the family also and enjoy yourself. It gives you relaxation, it gives you joy and it entertains you. Right? Games are nothing, but then let us know what are games. Games are nothing but activities that people have formed for entertainment and physical exercise. This has definitely increased the harmony in the community for being responsible for all to play and enjoy together. So what will happen? What will bring us together? More of studies. What brings you together? Games and playing together brings you together. So I am very sure, other than all the subjects, which period do you enjoy the more? PE period. Because you are all one day, you come out to play, you enjoy yourself. That gives you great entertainment and also with your friends. You enjoy, you share so many things. All these things are got in the games. So what are necessary for you to lead a healthy and happy life? Games are very much necessary. So let's see what is told about games in this lesson of games. Now after studying this lesson, what will happen? You will become aware of the importance of games and exercises. So equally, when you are playing, when you go for a game, you enjoy yourself. But exercises make you healthy, fit and fine. Okay, so that also we will be studying. You too have a yoga period or not? So in that yoga period, you exercise yourself. And in PE period, you enjoy yourself by playing with your friends. The most important periods of the week are nothing but your PE periods, which you all are missing by now. Yes, let's hope that we can play these games at a very sooner days. Like as soon as this COVID gets over, let us be back to school and enjoy with the games. Okay, so until then we have to study this chapter and then you can come and enjoy your PE period. Sunday is already to school. You are in a holiday mood. How will you spend your time on the holiday? Now here is a small space in your textbook where you are to write all that you will do on that day. I know maximum time spent on games or playing. So that only you have to mention that. Among these, identify the activity which will give you maximum happiness. Is there a game in it? Yes, of course. When do you enjoy more? When you play a game. rather than when you study, no doubt you get first rank after studying, everything is there. But ultimately what makes you more happy? That is all the games. Then observe the list below, given below. Take the uses of games from the list and write. So here is a small chart which all the games give you. But as per me, I think all these are got by playing a game. What all things you get there? You get happiness, you get cooperation because you play with your friends there, and it gives you entertainment and it gives you competitive spirit. Okay? Competitive spirit. The meaning of competition is to compete and not trouble anyone and get first rank. But when a race is there, we are so very enthusiastic to play that game as well and also to know the results of the game. Okay, it is a competition there between Group A and Group B. You are seeing so many games being played around. Even at the national level, international level, state level, district level, and also in the school with your groups. Group A and Group B, 5th standard versus 6th standard, everything you have a competitive spirit. So you enjoy the game there and you will enjoy. Attitude to accept both success and failure equally. So once a game is played, what do you learn? By that you come to know that how to accept failure and success equally. Maybe in the game, sometimes you may win, sometimes you may lose. When you win, you enjoy the success. But when you lose, you know to accept failure and try for better luck next time. So all these two things are also got from games rather more than in studies. Okay, you know to accept success and failure equally. Then protection of environment, physical exercise. It gives you physical exercise. Now you might have been seeing those who are very clever. They are not that interested in play. But what happens? Their physical fitness also they are lacking. Right? When you are to be physically fit, what you should do? You should play outdoor games. And by playing indoor games, it will increase your ability of intelligence. Then you become more. You think and you get that. For example, by playing chess, your intelligence level is high there. You go on thinking and you go for a smoother and a wonderful move there. So that increases your capacity of thinking. And outdoor games, obviously, they give you physical exercise and make your body stronger and healthier. And what you get from this? You get friendship also. Right? So how do you get friendship there? With playing with two teams. Okay, no doubt the winning spirit is there in both the teams. But the one, you will be introduced to so many new people. Okay, now for example, when you take inter-school competitions. Now some other school comes to your school and play. You get some more friends included in your friend list. Friends list, so you will have friendship also being developed. So what are the things which will happen when you are playing a game? Game gives you happiness, it gives you development of intelligence, that is by playing indoor games. It gives you cooperation, it gives you entertainment, it gives you competitive spirit and attitude to accept both success and failure equally. And it gives you physical exercise, friendship as well as knowledge also. Got it? So these are the things what you get by playing the games. Some examples are there where you have to do it regularly. So they are a part of your exercises. Exercises are nothing but the most commonly practiced in India is yoga, weightlifting, and most of the people go for jogging and running or walking. Okay, which will make your body more stronger and more healthier, isn't it? So the important physical exercise what we are all interested is in performing yoga. Okay, that also develops your body very well. Physical and mental health will develop if games, yoga and physical exercises are done as per the need regularly. The body will be strong and the weight of the body can be maintained. Okay, those who are very active, you might be saying, those who are very thin and active, what will happen? They will enjoy because they can run faster, they have maintained their body, right? The body will also look beautiful if it has a good physical structure. Physical structure is nothing but good physique. So when you run, obviously, you are active and your body, you are thin, means you look more beautiful, isn't it? More than fat. At certain age, it's not good that you become obese. That is fat. When you perform enough of physical exercise, what happens? You are fit and fine. Your body looks very beautiful, right? It increases our self-confidence. So if you are looking good, if you are good looking and your physique is good, it increases your self-confidence. Maybe some children you might have observed in your peer group or in your friends that if they are very fat, they feel a bit awkward, right? It's not that they are not looking good, but being fat is rather considered to be a lower term than being fit and fine. You look more beautiful with your fantastic physique. It increases our self-confidence, right? So when you know that you are looking good, that increases your self-confidence. Free time will be utilized beneficially. So instead of wasting time in your mobile and all unnecessary things, what are you expected to do? You are expected to play games. Okay? So it is beneficial. That is, it gives you benefit for your body. We can be active and happy always as games give entertainment and happiness. Okay? Now, are we only benefited by games? No. There is a earning process. You might have seen at the international level, national level, so many people are playing games and earning lots of money. Okay? So now let's see. National and international games help to build friendship and cooperation with other states and countries, which helps us to improve the bond between different countries. By this is also another big term what we are achieving by games. Right? By playing between two nations, by two states, the bonding is developed. There is cooperation between two states and you get more friends and friendship is developed. Now some international games also. Internationally also you can be developed. Now for example, you know, England and Australia playing, England and India playing cricket. Yes or no, you also will be so excited to watch like T20 and all the cricket matches. Why? Because you start loving those games by watching and there is a bonding between the two nations. So some international games which are there, they are cricket, football, tennis and athletics. Okay, if you know some more games, you can mention when I ask you with the questions. Okay. Don't you feel like saying wow when you see these pictures? Which pictures? Like mountaineering. There are some more attractive activities like such as river rafting, mountaineering, skydiving, rock climbing and mount cycling. These are no doubt very difficult ones to play for you people, but those who are trained, they enjoy such games also. We will be proud to see that also. Like all that mount cycling, rock climbing, trekking it is called as. All these are different types of wonderful games where you start feeling that adventure in you. Okay? And such games which you feel that you are doing a great activity, they are called as adventure games. Okay?